In this video, I'll show you how to create AI-powered animal rescue videos, a niche that's currently exploding on YouTube and TikTok. You may have come across channels like Edu Mama, which are racking up millions of views with this content. But it's not just one channel. There are many new creators growing rapidly in this space. These videos follow a simple yet captivating formula, highlighting an animal in distress, like one covered in barnacles. A rescue team discovering the animal and assessing the situation. The team carefully removing the barnacles and saving the animal's life. I'll guide you step by step through the process of making these videos. Make sure to watch until the end because I'll also share tips to avoid common issues when creating AI-generated images. Let's get started. You need this prompt template, which I created after spending hours of time. First, go to File and make a copy of this file so you can edit it easily. You can write your own prompt template if you are a professional. Here, you only need to edit two things. Change the title and set how many scenes you want to generate. Simply open any YouTube video, copy its title, and paste it into this template. Then set how many scenes you need. After that, copy the entire template and paste it into ChatGPT. With this prompt template, you can generate image prompts, animation prompts, and sound effect prompts. You can say this is an all-in-one template. However, we still have to edit the image prompts because sometimes ChatGPT does not include all the details, meaning it can make mistakes. Now let's bring these images to life using Pixelman AI. In Pixelman AI, select the model Art V1 and set the image ratio according to your needs, like for a short or long video. Then paste your image prompt and click on the Generate button. This is the most important step of the video process. As you see, the first image is ready. Download it. Next, I am generating the second scene image. There are some issues you will face during the image generation process. I will show these in this step. As you can see, we are doing well so far, and there are no issues in our images. But when I tried to generate scene number 4, there was an issue. The bear color was not correct, and the team uniform was not good. Since we are creating a scene in the snow, we need a polar bear. Now, paste your prompt again and add red helicopter and polar bear. Next, we need to add injured by millions of barnacles to correct our image prompt. When I tested this prompt, it was perfect, but I wasn't getting good results according to my needs because Pixelman wasn't understanding this prompt. To fix the scene prompt, we need another text-to-image tool that can generate human images correctly. So open Google, search for FX Google Images, and open the first website. Then log in with your Gmail account. Next, choose the image aspect ratio. Paste your prompt and click on the Generate button. That's all. This tool is perfect for generating realistic images. Here you can see the results. Download the image you want to use in your video. Next, after copying the 5th scene prompt, again there was an issue with the team uniforms. So I edited Red Dress Team to fix this issue. This means you need to edit all your prompts to fix issues. You need to focus on the bear color, team dress, and weather conditions to edit image prompts. With this method, you can create consistent scenes for your video. For an image-to-video tool, I recommend using Hailuo AI because it is the best tool for this type of video, and its animation style is perfect. Create a free account on it and upload your AI-generated animal rescue images. Since we've already generated the animation prompt, simply copy and paste it into Hailuo AI and keep generating the videos. For creating a 1-minute video, you'll need 10 to 15 images, so it's essential to generate high-quality images as shown in the previous steps. In this video, I've generated only a few images to demonstrate how others are making these types of videos. Additionally, when creating AI animal rescue videos, it's important to focus on scenarios that evoke an emotional connection, such as trapped animals being saved, animals in harsh weather conditions, or heartwarming reunions with their owners. These types of scenes tend to attract more engagement and connect with the audience on a deeper level. Make sure to maintain consistent themes throughout your video by ensuring that the animals, environment, and rescue tools are visually aligned, creating a professional and seamless story. Use realistic settings like forests, snowy mountains, flood-affected areas, or urban spaces to make the scenes believable. Incorporate rescue elements such as rescue teams, vehicles like helicopters or boats, safety gear, and medical assistance to enhance the authenticity of your story. Alright, my Hailuo AI video generation is complete. Let's move on to the main step of video editing. For video editing, I am using Wondershare Filmora because this video editor includes new AI features like AI music generation, AI sound effects, and many more. Start by opening Filmora and importing all your video clips. Next, arrange the clips on the timeline according to the sequence of scenes. Then go to the audio section and add sad or relaxing background music to set the tone. Adjust the music volume to -4.0 for a balanced sound. After that, open the prompt template again and copy the sound effect prompt. In Filmora, click on the AI sound effect generator, open the settings, and set the duration to 15 seconds. Paste the sound effect keywords into the generator and click on the Generate button. The tool will generate 3 sound effect files. Listen to all of them and choose the one that fits your clip the best. Repeat this process by copying the sound effect prompt and using Filmora's AI feature to generate effects, saving time by avoiding the need to search for effects manually. To make the video more professional and engaging, consider adding bare sound effects to enhance the realism and make the rescue story more interesting. Now, I am fast-forwarding the sound effect generation process because you can easily generate these kinds of sounds. If you don't like the sound effects generated by the AI, you can always download them from websites like Pixabay. These types of videos are simple to create, meaning there's no need for a professional video editor. Anyone can edit these kinds of videos with ease. Next, go to the filter section and apply the sharpen filter, setting its strength to 20%. Then, add the AI color enhance filter and set it to 50% to improve the overall visual quality of the video. Once these steps are complete, your animal rescue video will be ready, polished, and visually engaging.